What's up, Kaizen Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Kaizen Platoon, let's go. Let's get it. Today we're working on some dive planes for my Camaro, a 2016. We're installing some dive planes. I ordered them from, I'll link it in the description down below. Right now I gotta paint it. Here you go. Painting them black. Probably not the best place to put it in the dirt, but I don't want to spray paint the concrete. Got the black paint. So these came in unpainted. You had two options: get the carbon fiber or the unpainted, or I think it was the textured or unpainted. But I just wanted a solid black. So just gonna let these dry up before I apply the clear coat, and then we get on with the install. Time for some clear coat. I never claimed I was a good spray painter, right? Never did I spray paint on the walls in the streets. So give me a break, guys. Come on. Alright, got the first Canard or dive plane. Not Canard. It's a dive plane, guys. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. Got the other one to do over here. It's a very simple process. All you guys got to do is get this liner out right here, a couple bolts, and then take it out. This comes out, this bumper, and then you install it. Pretty easy. I'll show you what the after process looks like, or the after result. Is it clipping? You take your dive plane and just line it up. Alright, put it back. Restart the shoot. That little nut that comes with it, it's gonna be a 7/16. Oh no, it's a 1/4. Okay. Make sure it's secure. Alright, so you are gonna need a drill into your bumper. Now, take your drill over here. Come over here if you can. So it does come with some tape. Yeah, take a look. Take these out off so it has some sticking ground. Make sure this area is clean. I wiped it down with some soap and water, but then I still gotta wash my car, so it doesn't look that clean right now. So line it up and then just press on it, let it stick, and then from there you're gonna drill into your bumper. And then install the screws. Gotta get a different one. And then you're done.